politely got back into their place. Usually they're putting us in fucking headlocks and shit, you know?
Or just jumping around till they don't know. And then they're like, why is this guy grabbing me? What is happening right now? Can I have this guitar? No, fuck. Anyway. There's 104 days of summer vacation till school comes along just to end that. So the annual problem for our generation is find a good way to spend it. Like baby, you're rocking and fighting along here. You see, back when we were kids, our parents would go to Hawaii and they'd bring us back a shirt and would say, my parents went to Maui and all they brought me back was this lousy t-shirt, right? You guys get to... Sorry, Gary's doing comedy in the back and you guys can't hear it. You guys get to send a video home going, hey, we saw the guys that did Phineas and Ferb. Grandma's at farting. Pretty much spot on, right, sir? Right? I fucking it. And he's like, hang loose, went to Maui, right? Oh man,
I got laid in Hawaii.